affections to material things. Because it wasn't the diamonds and the furs that I needed to keep me warm. I needed you.